Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Vesna here. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you a tour of my back deck and patio area. So to start, I am going to show you what my patio area looked like before. So this was kind of at the beginning of spring, way before we did anything other than just move some of the stuff from underneath. We usually keep all the kids' toys and stuff like that underneath here and move the furniture, stack it because it is protected from the snow. So once we had moved all of that stuff out, I wanted to decorate it a bit better. We kind of put some signs up that I had created but still did not finish. So I just want to show you kind of what it looks like when it was finished and just give you some details. Now, I did do this over several stages, so I just want to show you the completed look. This video is a part of a collab hosted by Domestic Diva Home. If you haven't checked out Sonia's channel, make sure you check it out. There's a playlist as well. I will have her information linked below and the playlist. Sonia's really talented and has a beautiful home, so make sure you check out her home channel. She's got lots of creative ideas on there. And again, everything will be linked below. So here is kind of the finished area. So this little tray I actually sprayed with a hammered paint. It was a plastic tray from Walmart. I did that a while back. And then I have a thrifted little pail that I wrote the words grow on. I painted it, had some flowers on there. And then an old wine bottle that I also painted and upcycled. Here you see my little hose storage. The water is at a really awkward spot under the deck, so we do need access to it. So I decided to make this little table using some plywood and one of those big barrels from Home Depot. It's like a planter, and this is where we kind of put the hose. We wrap it around and put it in there, and then I just bought these little hanging wisterias to cover the hose, and I put my little pail there, and that's all there is to that. And then moving on, just above the bench, I have all these DIYs that I made over on my vesnasstv DIY channel. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure you head over there after this. And I created these signs. I painted this lantern and just did these little decor items, and I thought they were just really cute for the pool area. And we are old-fashioned, so we still have a radio here, and we love to listen to just regular radio when we're out here. And I think it just makes this area look a little bit more pleasant. Last year, I'll link the video in my description below as well. Last year I had painted this area, the ceiling, and made it a little bit more inviting because this was just a dark, dingy space with this big cabinet that was just against this wall and not really being used for anything. So I just wanted to make it a lot prettier. And I'll link my outdoor DIY playlist in the description as well, so you can check that out after. And here I just did a little net for our floaties. We do have a pool, and that's just like a fishing net that we put there just so we can hang the floaties so they're out of their way. And then I have my little towel storage over here and more signs that I made. Again, everything is DIY. My little mint pots, and I'm trying to keep my garden, but unfortunately, as you guys know, I did hurt myself, so my garden is kind of suffering, but it will hopefully be better soon. But I've planted some climbing hydrangeas back here so that they kind of cover the chain link just to give us a little bit more privacy and just make it all look a little bit nicer. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed my patio. It's a great spot because it's covered, but it's also because it's covered, it can be kind of not the nicest spot. So I really did try to make it look really pretty, and I think I did achieve what I was going for. At night it looks really beautiful with the lights lit up. And I'm just going to do a quick picture of my upper deck. I didn't do a lot of DIYs or anything up there. I just made it look pretty, and I thought I'd share it with you. So thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed just a brief little tour of my back deck and patio. I think it's a really cute space for us to hang out, and we really like it. So I hope you liked it too, and it gives you some inspiration. Thank you so much, and I will be back here on July 5th with my craft room tour video. I've posted before, but I've kind of updated some things, so I hope you can come back and check it out, and maybe it'll inspire you to do some crafting of your own. Thank you so much. Check out Sonia's channel at Domestic Diva Home and check out the playlist. Thank you so much. Have a great day.